Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Klaviyo for email segmentation and flows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Klaviyo for email segmentation and flows, log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Lists and Segments section on the left sidebar. Click on Create List/Segment and select Segment. Name your segment appropriately to reflect its purpose. Next, define the conditions for your segment by selecting a property or event. In the drop-down menu, choose a metric relevant to your audience, such as placed order or email opened. Set the time frame for the segment. You can add additional conditions by clicking on Add Filters. Choose whether you want to include or exclude profiles based on these filters. Once satisfied with the conditions, click Create Segment. Your new segment will now populate based on the criteria you've set. To create a flow, navigate to the Flows section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Flow and select Create from Scratch. Give your flow a descriptive name for easy identification. Choose a trigger for your flow, such as List Triggered Flow or Metric Triggered Flow. If you select Metric Triggered Flow, then choose the specific metric that will start your flow. Now, set up the flow step by clicking on the plus icon within the flow editor. From the drop-down options, select Email to send an email when the trigger occurs. Design your email using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor or by selecting a pre-made template. Once your email design is complete, remember to configure the email settings, including the subject line and sender details. Next, test your flow by sending a test email to ensure everything is functioning as expected. After testing, activate your flow by toggling the switch to live. To refine your email campaign effectiveness, continually analyze metrics from your segment and flow performance. Adjust your segment conditions and flow steps as needed based on the data you collect. You are now fully equipped to use Klaviyo for email segmentation and flows effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.